Potatoes like you've never had before. My grandma shared this recipe with me, and since then, potatoes have never been the same. Start with washed potatoes. Drizzle them with olive oil and season with pepper. Bake them for about 40 minutes. Once they're done, carefully cut off the top and scoop out the inside with a spoon into a bowl. Add 4 eggs to the potato flesh. This makes the mixture creamy and helps it bind together. Chop up slices of your favorite ham into small pieces and mix them in. Add some finely chopped red onion for a slightly sweet, bold flavor. Sprinkle with fresh parsley to give color and freshness. Mix everything until smooth, then fill each hollowed potato with the mixture. Top generously with shredded mozzarella and bake again for 10 minutes at about 340 degrees Fahrenheit. A perfectly crispy skin with a soft, flavorful filling. This dish is simple, impressive, and always a showstopper. I promise these stuffed potatoes will become your new favorite. You'll want them every day.